Hello friends, today we'll install Speedotrack GPS tracking device on Volta's deep fridge. So this is the Tata Volta's deep freezer, and we will install the GPS tracking device for special monitoring purpose and other temperature monitoring and door sensor electricity status. We are installing the Speedotrack GPS tracking device. So this is the Speedotrack GPS tracking device and the SIM card. So first we have to insert the SIM card provided in the proper direction as shown here. Now for the installation purpose, we have to open this side cover. Now you can see the main electricity of the fridge, which we have to connect to the electricity socket. Here the wire comes and the color is red and black for the phase and neutral. So the red color is the phase and the black color is the neutral. Now we'll connect the Speedotrack special device for taking the power from the main electricity source. So now from our conversion device we will connect the brown wire with the red wire of the fridge. And the black wire from the conversion device to the black wire of the fridge. So now we are connected to the power source of the deep freezer from the main electricity line. So we have properly tied all the wires with the tie belt. Now here comes the power source for our device from this wire, the red and the black wire. So the red wire from the power source is connected to the red wire of the device and the yellow wire, which is the digital input wire of the device. So it is connected to the positive power source coming from the fridge. And the black wire from the power source is connected to the black wire, earthing wire of the device. Now you can see the LED light is blinking. It means the wiring is proper and the device is getting the voltage. So after the wiring process has been done, we have to place the device in a secure place. Now we have to cover this flap. Now let's open the Speedotrack mobile tracking application. Now we have to write deep fridge, the device name, and press on live tracking. So you can see the position on the real map and the electricity status is off, means the device is the electricity of the fridge is disconnected. You can see electricity off. Now we will connect the electricity of the deep freezer to the socket, and you can see the power is on. And as you turn on the electricity, you will get the power connection alert push notification. You can see that the power is connected, and below you can see electricity status is on. And now we will disconnect the power source of the refrigerator. See, the LED light turns off, and now we will get the power disconnection alert. Electricity status will turn off. So you can see electricity is off now, and you have received the power disconnection alert also.